There are few animals in the world that can match the pure power of the hippopotamus. These massive mammals are built like miniature whales with legs, and their sheer bulk allows them to dominate almost any environment they find themselves in. There isn't a single predator in Africa that will willingly hunt hippos, and even lions avoid them at all costs. But despite this, hippos aren't really known for their strength or predatory behavior. Instead, they're mostly regarded as large, goofy-looking grass eaters that spend most of their time chilling in rivers or wallowing in the mud. And while this is mostly true, there's actually a lot more to these river horses than meets the eye. So today we'll be taking a deep dive into the surprising truth behind one of Africa's most dangerous and misunderstood creatures, the hippopotamus. One of the most surprising facts about hippos is that they're actually more closely related to the super-efficient killing machines of the Serengeti than they are to other members of their own family. Despite their herbivorous diet, hippos are actually more closely related to the hippopotamus than they are to other members of their own family. In fact, the hippopotamus is the only surviving member of its unique genus, is called hippopotamus. The closest living relative to the common hippopotamus is the pygmy hippopotamus, which is found in the dense rainforests of Central and Eastern Africa. However, despite their similar names, these two species are not particularly similar in appearance or behavior. The pygmy hippopotamus is much smaller, growing to around half the size of the common hippopotamus. It also has a lighter colored coat, tusks of both sexes, and lives in small groups rather than large herds. The common hippopotamus is truly a behemoth of a creature. They have massive, barrel-like bodies that can weigh up to 4,000 pounds. Their short legs and large heads make them look somewhat clumsy, but they're actually surprisingly agile in the water. Hippos are amphibious mammals, spending a significant portion of their day in water to keep cool and escape the scorching African sun. As they spend so much time in water, it might seem strange that they don't possess webbed feet for better swimming. However, their large, paddle-like feet work just as well and help propel them through the water with ease. Their nostrils, eyes, and ears are positioned high on their head, allowing them to remain hidden underwater, while keeping an eye and nose out for danger. This adaptation makes it difficult for predators to spot them, ensuring their safety from potential threats. Hippos are fully aquatic, meaning they must be in or near water to survive. They can't regulate their body temperature as efficiently as other mammals, and need to stay moist to prevent dehydration. While many people think of hippos as being lazy, spending most of their time eating and sleeping, they actually need to spend a great deal of energy to maintain their body's internal temperature. To achieve this, they stay in water for up to 16 hours a day, only coming out to graze on land. Even their grazing patterns are affected by their need for water, as they prefer to eat in areas that are close to water sources. If they spend too much time away from water, their skin can dry out, leading to painful cracks and making them vulnerable to infection. This highlights the importance of water not only for their survival, but also for their overall health and well-being. It might be easy to underestimate the hippopotamus, but it's important to remember that it's one of the world's most dangerous land mammals. One of the surprising aspects of the hippopotamus is its aggressive nature. Despite its seemingly slow and docile demeanor, the hippopotamus can be incredibly territorial and aggressive. They are known to attack anything that invades their space, including humans and other animals. In fact, hippos are responsible for more deaths in Africa than any other large mammal, including lions and elephants. Their territorial behavior is often triggered by perceived threats to their safety or the safety of their offspring. When threatened, they can charge at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it difficult for humans to escape their wrath. Additionally, hippos can hold grudges and may target individuals who have previously trespassed into their territory. This combination of factors makes them unpredictable and potentially dangerous, highlighting the need for caution when interacting with these powerful creatures. Hippopotamuses are known to be highly territorial animals and will fiercely defend their space from intruders. They establish dominance within their territory through scent marking and visual displays of power. During mating season, males compete for dominance and will engage in aggressive displays such as vocalizations, posturing, and physical confrontations to establish their status. Fights between males can be intense and result in injuries such as cuts, bruises, and even broken bones. However, It's worth noting that hippopotamus aggression is not limited to mating season, and they can display territorial behavior year-round. Their aggressive nature is a testament to their strength and power and should not be underestimated. Another surprising fact about hippos is their ability to run at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour on land, making them one of the fastest mammals in Africa. This speed, combined with their massive size, makes them formidable creatures to encounter. When hippos charge, their immense power can easily overpower their prey, causing serious injury or even death. Their sharp teeth and strong jaws allow them to inflict massive damage, while their thick skin protects them from attacks from other animals. While hippos may not be the most agile or graceful creatures, they are undeniably powerful and can pose a significant threat to those who underestimate them. Most people don't realize just how dangerous hippos can be. They are responsible for more human fatalities in Africa than any other large animal, including lions and crocodiles. Hippos are highly territorial and will attack anyone or anything that enters their space, whether it be a human or another animal. Their aggressive behavior is often triggered when they feel threatened or when defending their young. When charging, hippos can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it nearly impossible for humans to outrun them. Their massive weight and sharp teeth make them deadly opponents, and even a swipe from their tail can be enough to knock a person off their feet. Despite their intimidating appearance, hippos are capable of killing other animals such as antelopes and zebras with ease. Their strength and aggression make them one of the most feared animals in their habitat. Surprisingly, hippopotamuses are largely nocturnal, meaning that they spend the night grazing on land and then retreat to water during the day to rest. This behavior allows them to avoid daytime predators and take advantage of cooler temperatures at night. However, this doesn't mean that hippos are nocturnal in the traditional sense. They are crepuscular, meaning that they are most active at dawn and dusk, when there is still some light. This behavior gives them enough time to forage for food before returning to water to rest. Their nocturnal habits make them elusive creatures, which contributes to their mysterious allure. Hippopotamuses have specialized adaptations that allow them to thrive in both water and on land. Their paddle-shaped feet with webbed toes enable them to swim with ease, while their nostrils, ears, and eyes are located high on their head to keep them safe from predators while submerged. Despite their size and bulk, hippos are surprisingly agile in water and are capable of swimming at speeds of up to 5 miles per hour. On land, they are less graceful, but can still move surprisingly quickly at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Their bodies are adapted for life in water with a thick layer of fat that helps insulate them against temperature changes and keeps their skin from drying out. Overall, the hippopotamus is a remarkably adaptable creature that has successfully inhabited a wide range of environments across Africa. While hippos are primarily known for their plant-based diet, they do occasionally consume meat. They are opportunistic feeders and will scavenge dead animals if the opportunity arises. Additionally, hippos have been known to attack and kill other animals such as antelopes and zebras. Their teeth are not only used for grazing, but also for defense and can grow up to 20 inches long. When fighting, hippos use their teeth and jaws to inflict serious damage on their opponents. Overall, hippos are capable of being both herbivores and carnivores, depending on what food sources are available to them. To stay upright while asleep, hippos must follow a strict routine that involves constantly moving and shifting positions. They will never fall asleep without first treading water to keep their bodies elevated. Once they begin to doze off, they will slowly lower themselves to the bottom of the water and lay on their side. As they sleep, they will continue to breathe heavily and snort, which serves to startle away potential predators. This unusual sleeping habit allows hippos to stay safe while resting and conserve energy for the next day's grazing. Despite their large size and strength, hippos are surprisingly agile in the water. They can swim at speeds of up to 5 miles per hour and are capable of holding their breath for up to 5 minutes at a time. Their webbed feet help propel them through the water, while their nostrils, eyes, and ears are positioned high on their head to keep them above the surface. This adaptation allows them to stay alert for predators while submerged. Additionally, their bodies are covered in a thick layer of fat that helps insulate them against temperature changes and keeps their skin from drying out. Overall, hippos are remarkably well adapted to their aquatic environment, and their agility in the water is a testament to their evolutionary success. When threatened, hippos will open their mouths wide to display their large canines, which can grow up to 20 inches long. This behavior is a form of intimidation used to scare off predators and rivals. Hippos will also stomp their feet and snort loudly to further establish their dominance and warn off potential threats. Their aggressive behavior can be dangerous for humans and other animals alike. Hippos are responsible for more deaths in Africa than any other large mammal. When charging, hippos can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it difficult for humans to escape their wrath. Their massive weight and sharp teeth allow them to inflict serious damage, and even a swipe of their tail can be enough to knock a person off their feet. So what do you think? Were you surprised by the hippopotamus's power? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.